In this video, I'll share some AI prompts you can use for your business and brand. These prompts can be used in ChatGPT or any AI tool so you can save some time with content creation, copywriting, project planning, and more. Before we get to the prompts, here are some tips to help you get personalized results instead of generic responses. First tip is to customize your settings. You click the profile here and then customize settings. So you don't have to repeat yourself in every new chat. Add the following to the top box. For what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? Add, I'm your role specializing in my audience is, and I help them do this by doing this so they can, and then add your benefit. And then you fill out, and then I write about, talk about, create, and build. I use this tone to make things engaging, entertaining, enjoyable for my audience. Or you can use your learning style like, I learn better with visuals, such as tables, charts, or videos. Also, step-by-step guides and frameworks. For the next box, in the how would you like ChatGPT to respond, you add keep it simple and straight to the point, avoid jargon, filler words, or buzzwords, or you could add whatever tone you would like to use. For example, use conversational tone, and then save changes. You can use your old content as a guide so it can write like you. So social media posts, transcripts, and blog posts. Paste the text in the message box and then ask it to analyze the text and replicate these elements in the responses. Then you can add that to the settings in the first box. The next tip is to use formulas and frameworks. You can use a combination of any of these to personalize the responses. So there's task, using the action verbs. So rewrite, rephrase this paragraph, create a 5-minute video outline or a structured learning plan, analyze data, or create a report. Then there's a role, so act as a copywriter, designer, project manager. And then for format or output, you would put a number list table with a list of the following columns that you'd like to add to the table, comma separated lists for SEO. For goal, you would write your goal is to accomplish this in 3 months. And for example, you can share an article, copy and paste the article, or share a link to a YouTube video or a link to your website as an example. For structure, you can use the STAR method or any of these marketing formulas like ADA, PASTOR. For tone and style, you can use friendly, conversational, educational, neutral, or encouraging. For the audience, it could be beginner, expert, YouTubers over a certain age. And for tools, any tools that you're using for this project. For constraints, you can add any limitations that you have, such as keep it under a certain number of characters or summarize it in less than 500 words. You can combine these formulas with the following use cases. So under content creation, you can use the 80-20 rule to create a 6-week learning plan about a certain topic, or write about a step-by-step guide to optimize blog posts. And then there's content ideas, such as a 30-day calendar for whatever platform you're using. Copywriting, you create a 1-page website for a freelancer using the StoryBrand framework. For digital products, you can create a course outline for your audience. Under marketing and engagement, there's marketing plans. So marketing plans for introverts, or a marketing plan using the 1-page marketing plan book, where you can use reply to this comment for writing YouTube comments. And under freelancing and business operations, you can create case studies, portfolio ideas for new designers, checklists to speed up your process for a certain tool, automation ideas for Zapier, write a step-by-step SOP or standard operating procedures for onboarding process, and customer experience. You can map out the customer journey for a new client onboarding process. And lastly, for project management, you can create a project plan template for a web design project. In this video, I shared a Notion template for YouTubers, and I included prompts for launching your YouTube channel, creating ideas, and video scripting. For example, on the launch plan, there are writing prompts you answer to help you create a customized marketing plan. Starting with who, you just give a background of your experience, your skills, what are you familiar with, the channel name, the tone that you'll be using. Since your main platform is YouTube, you could add your secondary platform like email, podcast, or any social media, the days that you'll publish, what are your goals, and how you'll stand out, your income goals also. And then here, under 1-page marketing plan, you can plug in all your information and then use this prompt in ChatGPT to create your personalized 1-page marketing plan. And then under ideas page, you use your new plan and you'll have more prompts for social media, digital products, and video ideas. And lastly, when you have your video topic picked out, you create a new post to start the scripting process. Here's an example prompt. You would write, I'm creating a new YouTube video about the following. So you have your audience, your topic, what you want your audience to do. So the end goal, what should the audience know about this topic? What should the audience know about you? So you share your expertise and your background. How should the audience feel? How long you want the video to be? And then when you add this to ChatGPT, you can also add how to approach this topic, how to structure the video, which framework or marketing formula you can use. And then you can create an outline or structure for this topic. You can combine this prompt from Freelance Gig if you want to use an outline instead of a full script with the video script notes. Each piece of content should include a headline, 3 to 5 bullet points, format, creative suggestions such as image or video, and then be specific, creative, and emotional. There are also prompts for your title and thumbnails. So you can generate 10 titles for this video, which also has a constraint and the tone and the framework to use. For thumbnails, you can generate 5 YouTube thumbnails with your style of choice, and you can add more details below that. In the next video, I'll share some ways you can repurpose your YouTube video, including for social media, email, podcasts, blog posts, or Pinterest.